Now the standard form of linear equation, it is ax plus by plus c equals to 0. That is the standard form of any linear equation. Now we are discussing about pair of linear equations. Suppose there are two lines. First line, it is a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals to 0, and the second line is a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals to 0. Here you can see coefficient of x, it is a1 and a2. In first equation it is a1, in second equation it is a2. Coefficient of y, it is b1 and b2, and coefficient of c means constant term, it is c1 and c2. So here for finding the solution we have one concept on comparing the coefficient and the constant. On comparing the coefficient and constant, ratio of coefficient and constant, we will get some particular thing, and the results will be as consistent and inconsistent. Consistent and inconsistent. Consistent means if equation has at least one solution, then the equations are called consistent. Inconsistent means no solution. Now no solution means, suppose this is one line and second line is there, like these two lines. If you will see, they both never never intersect each other. If they are not intersecting, it means उनका कोई solution नहीं होगा. If they don't have any solution, then it is called inconsistent. And equation which have at least one solution means, like this is one line and that is another line, both lines are going to intersect at one point, then it is one solution, so it is called consistent. It is one solution, so it is called consistent, or we can say intersecting lines. If one line is there, that is one line, and second line is also there, that means overlapping, or you can say coincident lines. So here for consistent means if a line is coincident or intersecting, then it will be consistent. And inconsistent means if equations have no solution, and no solution means in parallel case. If lines are parallel, then they will not have any solution, means inconsistent. Now you can see, if we are going to compare ratio of a1 upon a2 and b1 upon b2, and third term constant c1 upon c2, there is one term, if first case a1 upon a2 equals to b1 upon b2 equals to c1 upon c2, means all the three constants are equal, means ratios जो तीनों का है they are equal, a1 upon a2 equals to b1 upon b2 equals to c1 upon c2, then we can say कि lines are coincident lines and they have infinite many solution. If two lines are coincident, then they have infinite many solution. Now the second case, if a1 upon a2 not equals to b1 upon b2, doesn't matter कि c1 c2 का क्या होगा. If a1 upon a2 not equals to b1 upon b2, then they are called intersecting lines. And they have exactly one solution. Now the third case, if a1 upon a2 equals to b1 upon b2 but not equals to c1 upon c2. If a1 upon a2 equals to b1 upon b2 but not equals to c1 upon c2, it is called parallel lines, and in parallel lines there will be no solution. If a1 upon a2 equals to b1 upon b2 equals to c1 upon c2, then coincident lines, infinite many solution, or we can say consistent. If a1 upon a2 not equals to b1 upon b2, intersecting lines, or only one solution, yeah, exactly one solution, or we can say consistent. If a1 upon a2 equals to b1 upon b2 but not equals to c1 upon c2, then it is called parallel lines, and parallel lines don't have any solution, so it is inconsistent lines also. Like we are taking an example, it is 2x minus 2y minus 2 equals to 0, 4x minus 4y minus 5 equals to 0. You can see a1 2, b1 minus 2, c1 2 minus 2, a2 4, b2 minus 4, c2 minus 5. Now on comparing the coefficient, you will see firstly a1 upon a2 equals to 2 upon 4, means 1 by 2. b1 upon b2 equals to minus 2 upon minus 4, it means 1 upon 2. And c1 upon c2 equals to minus 2 upon minus 5, it will be 2 upon 5. Clearly you can see a1 upon a2 1 by 2, b1 upon b2 1 by 2. It means a1 upon a2 equals to b1 upon b2, but not equals to c1 upon c2, because c1 upon c2 it is 2 upon 5. So here you can see the criteria: a1 upon a2 equals to b1 upon b2, but not equals to c1 upon c2. It means lines are parallel. So we can say ki hence lines are parallel, or parallel lines don't have no solution. So we can write there no solution. So that is the criteria. By this way we can find whether the lines have solution or not. Now we can take this example. It is given, check whether the lines have solution. If they have solution, then find it graphically. Here we have to find the solution graphically. So you can see firstly, first line for question number 1, it is given ki x minus y minus 8 equals to 0. And the second line, it is given 3x minus 3y minus 24 equals to 0. Now on comparing the coefficient, it will be a1 upon a2 equal 1 by 3. b1 upon b2 equal minus 1 upon minus 3. It means 1 by 3. And next term c1 upon c2 equals to minus 8 upon minus 24. It means 1 by 3. So clearly you can see a1 upon a2 equals to b1 upon b2 equals to c1 upon c2. Since all the coefficients are equal, it means lines are coincident, and it has infinite many solution. It has infinite many solution. How can we represent ki these lines have infinite many solution? You can see there for this line, firstly x minus y equals to 8. We have to plot the graph x equals to 8 plus y, and same terms will follow x and y. Suppose x is 0, y 0. Whenever x equals to 0, y equals to minus 8. And whenever y equals to 0, x equals to plus 8. Same second time, for the second line, it is given 3x minus 3y equals to 24. And 3x equals to 24 minus 3y. So here you can see for both the lines, x and y, x0, y0. When x equals to 0, y equals to minus 8. And when y equals to 0, x equals to plus 8. X equals to 8. So now again we have to represent the graph. You can take the scales. It is given 0, 8, minus 8. So I am taking ki on is 1 centimeter equals to 2 units on x and y. X pe it is 1 centimeter equals to 2 units, and on y 1 centimeter equals to 2 units. So here you can see first point, it 0 minus 8. 0 minus 8. It will be minus 2, minus 4, minus 6, minus 8. So 0 comma minus 8. And the second point 8 comma 0 for first line. 2, 4, 6, 8. It is 8 comma 0. Now join these two points by using scale. The first line. Now for second line you can see the points. It is 0 minus 8, 8, 0. Means same point, 0 minus 8 and 8, 0. It is the same point. If we are going to draw the line, again it will be the same line. So you can see ki lines are overlapping, or we can say coincident line. Hence they have infinite many solutions. So it is the graphically solution where you have to represent ki whether the lines are coincident or not. Now for the second part, means second condition, it is given ki 2x plus y equals to 6 and 4x minus 2y. Means the second part tha 2x plus y equals to 6 and 4x minus 2y equals to 8. Again on comparing, you can write there 2x plus y minus 6 equals to 0 and 4x minus 2y minus 8 equals to 0. So now on comparing, it will be a1 upon a2 equals to 2 upon 4, means 1 by 2. Now b1 upon b2 equals to 1 upon minus 2. Clearly you can see a1 upon a2 1 by 2, b1 upon b2 1 upon minus 2. Clearly a1 upon a2 not equals to b1 upon b2. Hence lines are intersecting. Lines and they have exactly one solution. So one solution. Now we have to calculate this solution by using the graphical method or by using graph. So you can see 2x plus y equals to 6 and y equals to 6 minus 2x. So draw the table. Same point, when x equals to 0, y equals to 0. When x equals to 0, y equals to 6. And when y equals to 0, x will be 3. Now for second line, second equation, it is given 4x minus 2y equals to 8, or 4x equals to 8 plus 2y. again xy, when x0 y0, when x equals to 0 y will be 8 upon minus 2, it means minus 4, and when y equals to 0 8 will be 8 upon 4 means 2 only. So now draw the graph of these 2 points. We will draw the graph of these 2 points. It is positive x-axis, it is positive y-axis. Now I am taking the scale. You can see there the numbers are 3, 6, 3 and 6. So we can take on x-axis 1 centimeter equals to 1 unit, and on y-axis 1 centimeter equals to 1 unit. That is the scale. So here you can take first equation, it is 0, 6. So 0, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It will be there 0, 6. Now second 3, 0, 1, 2, 3. It will 3, 0. Join this point by using the scale. That is a line. Now for second we can see the points 0, minus 4. 0, minus 4. So 0, minus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 0, minus 4. And second is 2, 0. So 2, 0 it will be there 2, 0. Join this point also. These are the points. So here you can see both the lines are going to meet at this point. Both the lines are going to meet at this point. So this is the solution. You can see it will be 2.5 on x-axis. It will be 2.5, and on y-axis it will be 1. So 2.5, 1. That is the solution.